Hi, I'm Sergeant James Giammarinaro. I'm a 20-year law enforcement veteran. I want to talk briefly about 3 important concepts that will help you with confronting bullies. As a law enforcement officer, I deal with bullying situations all the time. These 3 concepts will not only help you in dealing with bullies, but they are valuable life-building skills as well. The first concept I want to talk about is respect and assertiveness. As police officers, we must deal with rude, obnoxious, and arrogant people all the time. These people are called criminals, and many of them start out as bullies. They learn that this kind of behavior somehow made them feel powerful or superior, or lets them redirect their anger at others. In any case, police officers are trained to treat people with respect, no matter who they come in contact with. The truth is, respect is one of our best weapons, and it can be for you too. Usually when you assert yourself in a respectful manner, people will take you more seriously about what you have to say. We must also understand and practice being aware of our boundaries. That means nobody has the right to touch you in any way against your will, and that it's not okay for someone to harass, embarrass, threaten, or intimidate you. Is this going to happen occasionally? Of course it is. But if it does, you must strive to still use respect and at the same time be assertive about your personal boundaries. The second concept we're going to talk about is using your voice. Your best and most effective defense 95% of the time is your voice, or what we like to call in police work, our verbal commands. Good, strong verbal commands can defuse a situation before it even starts. Learning how to communicate, especially under stressful situations, is one of the most valuable skills you could ever learn in life. Think about it. You do it every day. We have to communicate with other people every day just in order to survive. But it's the way that we communicate that is so important. One of the most important things that a police officer learns is how to use his or her voice in an authoritative and confident way to get people to do what we want them to do. And so can you. You can do this by paying close attention to your voice tone, your pitch, how fast you talk, the inflection of your voice, as well as your body language. For instance, do you sound and look confident, or do you sound and look scared and insecure? One way to do this is by practicing saying something that you would actually say if it were in a real situation. Remember, your voice, words, and body language are important. Learn to use them powerfully and respectfully. The third concept I want to talk to you about is using appropriate force. In general, you want to control the situation and protect yourself in the least damaging manner as possible. We are taught from an early age to always try to use our words to stop a situation from escalating. For example, if someone insults you and you smash the palm of your hand in their face and they get a bloody nose, guess who's going to get in trouble? This is obviously an inappropriate response to use of force. Police use what we call escalating force, which basically means using enough force necessary to make an arrest, or in this case, to defeat the bully's actions, and nothing more. You need to be aware of the amount of pain or damage that these techniques can cause and use them appropriately. The more proficient and confident you become with these techniques, the more you'll be able to use them without really hurting somebody, and that is our ultimate goal. Even though bullying is a serious subject, you will see that you can have a lot of fun learning these techniques and building the skills to become more safe and a confident person.